If you guys cannot tell by now, the landscape of digital infrastructure is shifting away from fragmented third party resellers toward integrated server side solutions. So, today I'm going to be exploring how a primary provider is streamlining the technical management of social media by providing direct server access. So, you guys, this isn't just about efficiency. It's about utilizing high performance architecture to cost effective and managed through a professional grade framework. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce you to none other than ProSMM.io. So let me tell you guys why this overall website is perfect for you. Well, number one, you guys, they are eliminating the middleman efficiency. So whenever it comes to ProSM, the functions here are a direct source. So allowing users such as you to bypass the standard markups and delays associated with intermediaries. So technically, by removing the third-party layer, the platform provides a more streamlined communication path between the user and the server infrastructure. So you guys will see right here, total services, they do have over 5,000. Total orders, look at that, you guys, a massive amount. Total users, over 17,000, and then we got total tickets right there at about 12,000. And as we would see right here, they have high quality, they got low prices, they got fast delivery, and multiple payment options. All right. So I want you guys to understand that this platform, you guys, it is cost effective. You guys, we're talking about a direct results that they are the primary provider status. So I want you guys to understand, we're talking about high concurrency server architecture. Okay. Now the overall platform here, you guys, it is built on a robust server side architecture designed to handle high concurrency API calls without any type of latency. This ensures that even during peak periods, the system can process complex requests and management tasks with consistent precision and obviously with speed. We are talking about technical reliability, and they have high performance, right? As mentioned, high quality. We're talking about the API infrastructure, you guys. It has technical superiority. But you guys will see right here, it's going to be pretty easy and simple to get yourself started. All you have to do right here, sign in, make a deposit, place your order, and enjoy results. So our third point is going to be enterprise grade API scalability. Now, because it serves as a fundamental layer for the entire industry, many other platforms, they are currently connected to ProSMM.io. They are actually connected to the API to power their own services. This level of broad integration demonstrates that the system has a strong ability to handle massive technical loads while maintaining high uptime for all connected users. So it sounds like, you guys, a lot of other platforms are using ProSM's direct services. Massive game changer. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. To learn more about this direct access model and the technical infrastructure behind it, please be sure to visit the link tree in the description below. Please remember that this information is for educational and news purposes only, and you should always ensure your digital management strategies comply with all social media platform guidelines. So you know what that means. So be sure to leave a comment, smash up that like button. We will see you in the next video.